Under the Cultural and Spiritual Protection Clause, no individual, entity, institution, or contractor may excavate, disturb, or alter any site identified or suspected to be a burial site, tomb, ceremonial ground, ancestral site, or spiritually charged zone. This includes both known and newly discovered sites. Disturbance is prohibited regardless of development status, ownership claims, or external institutional interest. This clause establishes permanent non disturbance as a binding condition of land governance. If bones, artifacts, spiritual markers, or anomalies are uncovered during land development or management, all activity must cease immediately. A spiritual consultation is then initiated. A designated sovereign elders council or spiritual protocol lead determines the next steps. No excavation, research, or removal may proceed without consent through indigenous-led governance. This protocol overrides default development processes. The Cultural and Spiritual Protection Clause establishes a permanent ban on archaeological extraction. This includes research, excavation, relic acquisition, and removal of grave goods, bones, spiritual tools, or embedded cultural items. No museum, collector, university, or government may access these materials without direct permission from Fifth House of Creativity, Inc. and an Indigenous-led Ethical Oversight Council. Unauthorized access is prohibited in all forms. Where possible, ancestral remains and sacred objects are reburied using ceremony. Sites are protected with reinforced biogeographic boundaries. Ongoing guardianship includes spiritual offerings and respect cycles such as seasonal ceremonies and feeding rituals. Protection is active, not symbolic. Stewardship continues across time. This land recognizes the inherent sovereignty of all spiritual beings, ancestors, and cultural frequencies present. No scientific, state, or religious claim may override this recognition. The clause functions as both a legal restriction and a spiritual agreement with the unseen. Spiritual sovereignty is binding within a state governance. Violation of the Cultural and Spiritual Protection Clause results in immediate removal of the violating party from the land. Legal pursuit of reparations follows. Public acknowledgement and restitution for desecration are required. Restorative justice practices are initiated for the impacted lineage or spirit body. Enforcement is explicit and non-negotiable.